Hi everybody, Reese Counts with Autoblog. Today we are here with a 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43. But this just isn't any Land Cruiser. This has been upfitted by the FJ company. This is their top-of-the-line signature model. Starts at about $200,000. Now, that sounds like a lot for an old FJ, but this has been completely reworked. In that, you get rid of the old inline 6 and you get a modern Toyota power plant with custom electronic fuel injection. So you've got these cool like pull latches on the side, but there's an actual hood latch under here. Ta-da! Look at this, like nice like carbon fiber engine cover. But this is a 4-liter V6 making 240 horsepower. It's the same one you'll find in the current Toyota 4Runner. You'll find in the global Land Cruiser Prado. It really gives us like a modern character. Drives well, it doesn't ever feel gutless. Makes it really nice for a nearly 40-year-old car. It's also got 4Runner brakes. It's got that big Warren winch. The suspension, if you can look under here, it's got Fox shocks and Old Man Emu suspension. Then there's like the little details, like the mirrors are machined aluminum. A lot of stuff inside we can point out later is machined aluminum well. Now it's got a custom soft top that fits it really well. It's been raining and snowing and there's been no leaks inside. Big spare out here, big oil can. It's even got a backup camera. This thing's pretty awesome. We're going to show you the back because it's quite a little process to get in. So you turn that handle, turn that one, opens this side. Then you get down here. You pull that off and you open the spare tire. Now there's another latch right here inside. Michael can get over here. You lift up. And then there's one up here that you pull it open. Now the back seat has got these two benches that pull the strap over. And go down, and you've got 3 more seats on either side. Another cool thing, there's a custom leather tool bag that matches the rest of the car. Let's fire it up. This is their top-of-the-line signature model. And with that, you get a lot of high-end bits. Start with stuff like the door window cranks and the door handles. Those are both machined aluminum, as is the shifter for the 4-wheel drive and the transmission. Really, really nice pieces. They feel very like robust and sturdy, but they have a like retro look. Nothing looks overdone. It's just a lot of high-end touches. The same goes for all the switchgear. You've got windshield wipers, lights, hazards, and so on and so forth. Under here, under this nice plate, we have the, if I can get it open, the air locker for the front and rear, and then the air compressor. It's really nice, really handy, keep you from getting out. Lots of nice leather around, including on these heated Recaro seats. Leather wrapped steering wheel, boots, but there's an iPad under here, which is super nice. You can play a bunch of stuff. It's even got air conditioning and heat, though I will say it's not the greatest thing in this Michigan weather. It's got a backup camera, it's got a new instrument cluster. I mean, it's expensive, but there's a lot of high-end touches here. Old cars are charming, but they are not the best to drive. This one actually drives like a modern vehicle. That's due to a few things. It's got modern 4Runner brakes, it's got a engine out of a 4Runner, and a relatively modern Toyota 5-speed. So it drives, shifts, and like has the power and brakes of a modern car, which is really nice because this is kind of a tall, big, heavy thing. The suspension is all modern. It's off-road stuff, so it's a bit wallowy and can be a bit stiff, but it's not bad. It's Fox shocks, Old Man Emu, a lot of nice stuff. Steering is power assisted, but predictably sloppy. There's a lot of play right here. But you know, it's just fun. I wish it wasn't winter. pull this soft top off. But God, it's just cool.